Hi guys, welcome back to the Boho Homestead. So this is my progress from last night. I got the front wall started and a little bit of the side. Decided not to go with columns, so I just tied the blocks. Not the most perfect job, but it's fine. So I got it to the level that I want the windows, and they need to be filled now. Yeah, they need to be filled. So I'm gonna let them dry a bit. I am exhausted, so what I'm gonna do is get some rest. I forgot that my hacksaw blade burst, so I did not have the tool to cut the steel, or else I would and just finish the side, which would have been much more easier. This side, I got in at 4. I started like after 5-ish yesterday. I was having some problems with the steel here last night because I couldn't really see and I didn't have any help to hold it for me, so I had to leave this side and tie them afterwards. Yeah, started like after 5 thereabout and got in like 4 o'clock this morning, and it's 9:30 now. The guys are supposed to come to work this morning. No one showed up, so it's a good thing that I got my stuff done. I have more blocks left. I have under there is a bag of cement. I didn't use much of it, but I think most of it is hard. I have quite a few amount of blocks left. So yeah, I'm gonna rest up and get back at it another day soon. So stay tuned for the journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.